Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust page size in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you can see here some pages included the text and shapes. You want to change the page size or adjust the page size, go to the file menu and select the document setup. Otherwise, you can open this using the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl Alt and P. Then you can see here open the document setup. Now you want to change the page size or adjust size. Now we can see here many page size here. You can make this manually or change the size. Now I am select the legal page, click OK, and we can see we adjust the page size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.